Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. If you don't know who I am, my name is Julie and my channel is based on me expanding my Jtru design business on Etsy. I make party decorations and gifts for people, so feel free to check some of those videos out. So as usual, I will be filming myself work through the week and you'll get to see me make party decorations and package them, and sometimes I talk about the materials I use. So without further ado, let's begin. So first I'm going to work on this cake topper I sold, and I'm just going to prepare it right now. I do hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button so that my video can reach out to more people, and this will help my channel get recognized. Thank you so much guys. So it's that time of the year when students are going to graduate and lots of people are looking for graduation decorations, and I can honestly say that I've been quite fortunate, and I do sell a lot of my graduation items and I sell them pretty much throughout the whole year as well. I don't know about you guys, but the best part for me is the packaging side. I love packing all my orders. I just find it so therapeutic. I think it's the sound of the crinkle paper and even the cellophane wrappers. So, I mean, some people find that extremely annoying, but for me it's very calming and I just completely zone out. And I'm sure some of you guys can agree with that. Good morning guys, I just thought I would show you some of the deliveries I received, you know, just basically stocking up on some of the materials that I use. So let me show you this tape dispenser. So first we have this tape dispenser because my one broke. So I bought this really cute pink one and I really like it. And next I have all these gift tags. I think there's like a pack of 100 or 50, no, a pack of 50 in each. And I bought quite a lot of them because I do get through them quite quickly. And I got these from AliExpress. It took a couple of weeks to come and here they are. And also some of these glitter cardstock. Got baby blue, black, rose gold and gold. And I know you guys always ask me where do I get my cardstock from. I get them from eBay. They're not branded, they're just sold by, you know, small business sellers. So they are 280 GSM. Sometimes I find 250 GSM, which still works fine. So yeah. Next up, I have some straws. I always get through quite a lot of straws. These are the gold ones, and there's 250 of them. And also this really huge box of straws as well. Just topping up on rose gold. So yeah, that is all the deliveries I received today, and I'm just going to get on with some of the orders I have. So see you in a bit. So that is it for this week, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So next week I will try to make more cake toppers to add to my shop, so do stay tuned for that. And currently I am on 217 Etsy listings, so if you're following me on this journey you will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I've still got a long way to go to get to 1,000, but it is what it is, and I will just carry on doing my best. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do consider subscribing, and don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.